Welcome to the road to 1 million US dollars. Let's get right into the Bitcoin chart for today, starting on this 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin, because we are now seeing a confirmed warning signal in the charts, after which we already got a bit of a move to the downside. Now, of course, if you watched my videos over the last couple of days, this is specifically that I was saying I was taking a look at as a potential warning signal, and therefore as soon as I saw a break of this trend line, I immediately opened up my short position, leading to a very nice 95% gain on this Bitcoin trade and a 90% gain on this Solana trade. If you want to get access to my real-time analysis of the markets so you don't miss moves like this, then make sure to join my Discord server with the link in the video description, and then unlock my trading signals, which you can get access to completely for free. Either way, that is not the point of this video. So now let's talk about what we should be expecting next for the Bitcoin price now that we have seen this move right here. Personally, what I like doing after we see a break of a trend like this is looking for some potential levels of support. Now, what you can see right here on this 4-hour time frame, if we take this recent low to this swing high here, we are currently at this exact level of support, this 0.236 Fibonacci level, sitting at about 67,000 US dollars for the Bitcoin price. If we break below this level of support here with confirmed 4-hour candle closes, then likely we will come down to this next Fibonacci level of support, the 0.382 Fibonacci level, sitting at about 65.5K, which would also align to this big level of support here, sitting from 66,000 all the way down to 65,000 US dollars. Although do keep in mind that for now we haven't broken below this 0.236 Fibonacci level. So yes, it is completely possible that this is now the start of a new downtrend, but personally I am not fully convinced that this is actually a full-on reversal back to 50K or something like that. I would definitely need to see a break of some critical levels of support, and I'm not seeing that yet. Now, if we zoom out a little bit to this 1-day time frame, for example, you can see that we are currently still comfortably above this descending channel for Bitcoin. So basically this 66K level, roughly speaking, is kind of the level to look out for here. If we start breaking below that and falling back inside this red zone here, that would be a pretty bearish signal for me personally, at least, indicating that this might have been a false breakout and that we now actually need more consolidation. But so long as that does not happen, yeah, I'm simply assuming that we are going to get another move to the upside here at some point. One of the big reasons for this is that if we take a look at the 1-year time frame here, we have a lot of liquidity, about $33 billion worth of short positions that would get liquidated if the Bitcoin price reaches 72K, which is quite close to where we are currently trading. And I think it would be quite uncharacteristic for Bitcoin not to punish people that are shorting Bitcoin in the middle of a bull run, especially when the Bitcoin price is trading so close to this big pocket of liquidity here. But as I said, if we now start seeing some of those critical levels of support being lost, then yeah, we do need to entertain the idea that again we are going to have more chomp inside this range, which I think will drive a lot of people insane. If we take a look at this 1-week Bitcoin liquidation heat map, you can see that yesterday we took out a lot of liquidity to the upside and then exactly reversed at this big level of liquidity here, basically coming down to grabbing a bunch of liquidity to the downside. So we have now taken out about $250 million worth of late long positions. And as you can see, they only started opening up their long positions here at about 68,000 US dollars for the Bitcoin price. So now they got punished for being very, very late to this uptrend. If we take a look at where most of the liquidity is right now, it is to the downside at about 66.4K for the Bitcoin price. So yes, this could be a potential price target, although we have already now taken out the biggest pocket of liquidity that I was also talking about in yesterday's video. Besides that, if we take a look at this 4-hour time frame once again, you can see that right here we have a bearish divergence because we have higher highs in the Bitcoin price and lower highs in the RSI momentum indicator, pointing towards a break from all of this bullish price action here. And this is exactly something that I warned about in yesterday's video. So a signal like this points towards either some choppy sideways price action or potentially some bearish momentum in the short term. We have already seen a bit of bearish momentum here, now reaching an important level of support. And again, if we now break this level of support, we could get more bearish price action. So that is something to keep your eye on when you are analyzing the charts. Either way, this has been today's market update. Again, if you want to get access to my real-time analysis so you don't miss any of these important moves in the market, come join the Road to 1 Million Discord community. It's completely free and you can get access to my trading signals completely for free as well. Regardless, if you do end up joining the signals or not, thank you for watching once again, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one.